In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can record your screen here in Roblox. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But in this specific guide, here's how you can go ahead and record your Roblox gameplay without having any extra software. The first thing that you're going to want to do is actually get loaded into Roblox and press escape on your keyboard or click on this little Roblox menu icon in the top left corner. From this Roblox menu, go ahead and find captures within these tabs and select it, and you're going to have the option to record your video. Select this option and you're going to notice that you're going to have this little red outline now following your screen. This means Roblox is now recording. From here, you can play and capture whatever gameplay you would like, and whenever you're finished, once again, just open up that menu, go back to this little captures tab, and now you'll have the option to stop recording. It's going to pull up with a quick little option down here saying open folder. Simply go ahead and select that. But if you don't select it right away, don't worry, you didn't miss it. You just have to open up your file explorers, go into videos, and now you're going to have a little Roblox option here, and that capture is going to be right within there. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But you've now successfully recorded your screen here in Roblox. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more Roblox content. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.